As you can see, this rain is coming down really hard at the moment. I'm trying to shelter for a little while. I think it's rained in for the day. Good morning folks, welcome back to the channel. On a very wet Friday morning, I come out and got caught in this rain shower. As you see, I feel like a soaked rat. I feel like one as well. Come out to film the Demolition at Charles Street. So weather permitting, let's go and see if we can find it. We'll film it. Well, as you see folks, it's absolutely peeing it down. Don't know how long this camera's not waterproof, so I won't be able to stay it very long, unfortunately. See what we find. There's the other sign, folks. That one. So that remains to be seen if I get that sign or not. Hopefully we will. The weather's playing havoc with my phone, folks. As you can see, this rain is coming down really hard at the moment. I'm trying to shelter for a little while. I think it's rained in for the day. I'm trying to bring you some of the demolition that's been going on down here on Cookson Street and Charles Street, folks. But the weather's against me at the moment, unfortunately. It's coming down in buckets. They're starting to demolish this building across the road here. A lot of it's come down now, look. Really didn't think they'd be working in this rain, to be honest. Let's go around the other, see what they're doing around the other side of Charles Street. And way past to get out of this weather. I'm hoping to be able to get some kind of footage for you. This is a nightmare trying to do filming this. I'm actually soaking wet. I'm soaked through. My shoes are wet, my socks are wet. Oh my Jesus, I wish I hadn't come out now. Things I do for YouTube, eh? Well, at the main gate now. And look like they're trying to get keep YouTubers out here, look. They put some more netting or something up there so you can't see inside. How not fair is that, eh? So I'm on the so zooming very good on this, folks. I don't tend to stand in this rain very long anyway. I'm soaked right through the skin here. Yeah, take a look at this. Now if that a YouTuber's talent, I don't know what the hell is. Look at it. Oh my God. That is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Trying to keep YouTubers out, eh? They put more netting on here. That's really sad. Really sad. I can't keep this bit blocked off, can they? Haha. That's quite a good view from here, actually. And not there are a lot of them houses down there, look folks. I ain't been able to get out, just like they've been so busy. I missed all this. Missed out on my Charles Street sign as well. Bloody typical, isn't it? Absolutely typical. Well, this is the state of the land at the moment, the way things are. Getting drenched through. There's about 3 or 4 houses gone on this side now. At the moment, until they block this bit off here, which I'm filming through, I can still see in here. Have it. Although they're just doing some clearing up at the moment. I call it Friday clear up day. They don't do much demolition. It's the same as the police station. I mean, what's all this about? I'll switch to DJI2 because I can't even open my phone, can't record on it, do nothing. I hope I haven't ruined it. Anyway, this is from a view from inside the compound here. So they've flattened that land now. I don't know if they're doing any demolition today or not. Yeah, so what's all this about? Absolutely ridiculous. You can't see a damn thing in there now. I just put my camera in here again, so I don't know if I was recording last time. I'm definitely recording now, but yeah. This is the way the things lay at the moment, folks. Looking down Charles Street. There we go. So this is Grosvenor Street, as you can see. Got the boards up as usual. And look what they've done, so you can't see inside there. Anyway, folks, I think I might leave it here. It's actually rain's easing off a little bit now. So I'm using my mobile phone because I get a good zoom on that, you see. And I feel that we've got rain that's got into it or something like that anyway. So I could even slide a phone to get to the video camera to record. I just hope I messed it up. Don't look like there's much going on here today anyway. I think I'll get off. Anyway, folks, I'm going to get off home now. Just a short video today, unfortunately. Just the rain's too bad. Too much to hang around in. Things we have to do, you YouTubers have to do, you know. Anyway, appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, appreciate that. Thanks to all new subscribers come aboard. I'd like to get to a couple of thousand before the end of the year, before Christmas. That'd be really nice. So yeah, keep subscribing, tell your friends. Hit the notification bell, upload more videos. I'm going to get out of this rain, get home, get dried out. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it. See you on the next one, folks. Bye for now. Bye.